Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the updated version of the BPlayer application. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So to do this, we're going to do in two steps. The first step is going to be ensuring your device can install an app from an unknown source or install unknown apps. The second step will be using the unlinked application to install those applications. So in this tutorial, we're going to be using unlinked in the second step to install the BPlayer application. So now head over to step 1. We're going to quick settings and then all settings. We'll navigate down to system and enter about. So under about, we're looking for the build number. Just click on the build number 7 times to activate the developers option. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now you should see a message saying you are now a developer. If that's done, you can now allow certain apps to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. From there, you could head over to the step 2. Step 2 of this video will be using the unlinked application. So if you do not have this app, check the link in the description for a tutorial showing you how to install it. And when you have the app, open it up and you're going to come over to media players. Media players will be found under the everything library. Click on the BPlayer application and you're going to install the application. In my case, I've already installed the app, so you can just find install app right there. Alternatively, you find a message saying unknown sources or install from an unknown source or install an unknown app. At that point in time, you just go down that list and you find the toggles by the side of each app. You find a toggle by the side of the unlinked application. Click on that toggle to toggle it on, and that will enable unlinked to download and install an app from an unknown source or install an unknown app. That's very important for installation. So if you do that, come over to install app, go ahead and click that, and you will find this install button here to click on. When you click on that button, just give it a couple of seconds and the app will install straight into the app library. So as you can see, navigate to my app library, I have the BPlayer application. Clicking on it launches the application and I can enjoy it from here. So if you found that insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.